Hello students, welcome. Today we will learn second property of geometric mean, or we call it GM. So let's start. Well, the property states that the logarithm of the geometric mean of a set of values of a variable is the arithmetic mean of their logarithms. So let's start with the proof to understand the property. Suppose we take n values of variable such as x1, x2 up to xn, and the geometric mean of the variables can be denoted as xg. Then the geometric mean or xg can be represented as xg equals to nth root of the product of the variables, which is represented by pi I equals to 1 to n xi, where pi xi, where I equals to 1 to n equals x1 times x2 times up to xn. We can write the formula of geometric mean in this form too. Now we will multiply log on both sides of equation 1, which is this, and then we get log xg, or the logarithm of geometric mean, equals to log of pi I equals to 1 to n xi whole to the power 1 by n. When we have a situation like this, log is applied to both m and n, which is equal to log n plus log n. And in this situation, 3, which is in the power, comes in the front, which gives us 3 log 2. Now we take the right hand side of the equation that we obtained before. Here the power 1 by n will come in front, and we will get 1 by n log of pi I equals to 1 to n xi. Now in the upcoming step, pi xi I equals to 1 to n is broken down to x1 times x2 times up to xn. As we know that when log is applied to the product of n numbers, it gives us the sum of log of those numbers. Similarly, we will get in the next step 1 divided by n log of x1 plus log of x2 plus up to log of xn. Now, in the next step, we can rewrite this above portion in brackets into summation log xi, where I equals to 1 to n. Therefore, the property can be written as log xg equals to 1 divided by n summation I equal to 1 to n log xi. Hope you all have understood the second property of geometric mean. If yes, drop a like.